back to Canvas Candle. It has been a long time since we added a video to this series. I checked and it was December 12th, so I thought I'd bring it back with a bang with this beautiful empty candle jar. So first I had to scrape out all of that wax. Let me know if I should do something with it, but the wick was actually really hard to get out, but I was able to get it, gave it a good scrub, and then it was time to refill. So there's the sticker, the wick holder, and the wick. I had to center the wick, and then I secured it with the wick holder. And then it was time to go melt the wax, which of course means a dance break slash rap break for some reason. I guess I was feeling myself. Now it's time to pour the wax, and it smelled amazing. This is Santo, it's Palo Santo Sage. It's such a beautiful scent and matches this vessel perfectly. Trim the wick up after I got the wick holder removed, and it was time to light. I am obsessed with how this turned out. It looks amazing and so great. Another successful canvas candle.